Hey there, it's another slightly redneck video here. I'm going to show you today how to tie a couple of knots, well actually one knot in particular, the two half hitches. This is a method of attaching a rope to a pole. 90% of the time when I do that I'm going to use a bowline, but occasionally there are applications where I prefer to use two half hitches. You can watch my video on how to choose the right knot for the job, and you'll see a situation there where I chose to use two half hitches instead of a bowline to attach a rope to a pole, and I'll explain all the details there. But anyway, how to tie this knot. I've got my shovel handle here because it really makes more sense if I'm tying it around something as opposed to just tying it. So we're going to tie it around the handle of my shovel. So you're going to loop it around whatever it is you're tying to. Whoops, let me get this out here where you can see it. Now the thing is I'm not tying this to the pole. So in other words, you're not going to tie it like that. You're going to tie this rope to itself. So, and you can tie it way out here. You don't have to tie it right up next to the pole. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my rope, my tag end, I'm going to lay it over the top of the standing end, and I'm going to wrap it around to form my first half hitch. And that's all there is to it. Let me show you one more time. I'm going to take it, I'm going to wrap it around to form my first half hitch. Cross over that half hitch, go the same direction around the rope one more time, and pull it through that loop right there. And then tighten that up. And there you have two half hitches, and then you just slide that down. Oh, if I can do that. Slide that down to whatever you're attaching to. Good, secure knot. So let me untie that and tie it one more time and show you how that works. I'll get it up here a little bit closer to the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So my tag end, it goes across my standing end. I'm going to wrap it around to form my first half hitch. Let me get myself a little bit more rope to tie with so you can see. Okay, I'm going to wrap it around to form my first half hitch. If you can see that. I'm going to cross it, go around the same direction. I went around this way once, crossed over, around again, and form it through, put it through that hole that's formed right there, and pull it tight. And this is what you should end up with when you're done. Should be a knot that looks like that. Very easy to tie, and then again you just slide it down and it's attached. It's attached to this pole. It's not going to come loose. So anyway, hope that helps. Again, check out my video on how to choose the right knot for the job, and you'll see several other knots that I tie, and I'll have links to all my videos on what I consider the essential knots. So thanks for watching again, and as always, God bless.